Use C-band to help morning sickness. Waking up each morning can be challenging for a pregnant woman, especially when you have to deal with morning sickness. What brings morning sickness on aside from having a bun in the oven? Ask your doctor, and she would be a bit shady about specifics except to say that it's all the chemicals and hormones in your body sort of rearranging itself in preparation for the growth and maintenance of the baby inside your womb. These won't be her words exactly, but it will be close to it. There's really not a solid reason to pinpoint the cause of this one. However, what you are sure to find out is that certain triggers like the smell of certain foods, people, and perfumes make you want to throw up. Perhaps one ray of sunshine you can derive from this morning misery is that women who experience it have very little chance of having a miscarriage, so hold on to this thought when it gets really awful. How do you get rid of morning sickness? Well, bad news. The only thing that can get rid of morning sickness is not to become pregnant, which you know is a stupid reasoning because women at one point in time, unless barren, will become pregnant. So the best answer is this: you can't get rid of it, but you can certainly manage the severity and occurrence of it during the course of your pregnancy. Here's how: purchase C-bands. If lemon candy, soup, crackers, saltines, ginger ale, and Sprite won't help you manage your morning sickness, C-bands can and will. For about $10, this is a drug-free way of making sure you keep morning sickness to the barest minimum. Follow a schedule when applying C-bands. You basically know when morning sickness is coming on, so 5 minutes before you expect an attack to occur, wear your C-bands. If the time is unpredictable, wear it the whole day every day during your first trimester, since this product is super safe for pregnant women. Position your C-bands accordingly. This is obviously worn around the wrist, so that's not something that will puzzle you, but you should know that the part where the plastic stud is located should be in direct contact with your wrist, because it will apply the necessary pressure to thwart morning sickness. Additionally, you have to make sure it is positioned near the pulse points of your wrist. Have someone demonstrate and do this for you on the first time, then you can do this yourself the following day. Expect a bit of discomfort. The mere fact that C-bands are worn to apply pressure on the point inside your wrist to alleviate morning sickness means that it might be a bit numbing once pressure continues to be applied after the morning sickness has dissipated. If you feel a bit uncomfortable or numb, remove it for the time being, only to wear it again following the schedule you have charted. Replace when needed. It's going to be a long pregnancy, but morning sickness somehow leaves the picture after the first trimester. During this time, it might be wise to replace some of the C-bands when necessary, especially if it becomes wet all the time. Although these can be washed, it's still better if you have new ones when you need it. Hey, it's only $10 a pack. Don't worry, it will soon be over, then you'll forget about everything and become pregnant again.